Hello, today on the Leukopak Lady, I'm continuing with factors that affect Leukopak logistics, with a discussion on packing and shipping of Leukopaks. So reliable packing and shipping of Leukopaks depends significantly on the staff performing these tasks, but collectors and developers often fail to consider how important this really is. Correctly packing a Leukopak involves many factors. There are standards and regulations for maintaining GMP compliance that must be followed, and there are laws and regulations from the Department of Transportation to ship blood products across state lines. These include the type of packing material and shipping boxes used, as well as how the box is labeled. So this means that the packing and shipping staff must be very knowledgeable and well trained in many laws and regulations. Unfortunately, there is very little formal training in these areas, with the exception of certification in shipping dangerous goods from the U.S. Department of Transportation. So inventory management is also an important part of reliable Leukopak logistics. Staff with good attention to detail and who carefully handle and manage product shipping will prevent problems such as mix-ups with specific Leukopaks, temperatures, and shipping addresses. Often a developer will order a Leukopak to be shipped to a manufacturing facility rather than to their development laboratory. Shipping staff must carefully label the box with the right destination. Some developers want their fresh Leukopaks shipped at ambient temperature, while others want them shipped at refrigerated temperature. Shipping staff must ship the Leukopak to the developer at the right temperature. When developers have requested or qualified a specific donor for certain development or manufacturing runs, shipping staff must be sure to send the Leukopak from the requested donor to the right location at the right temperature. And this all may seem very simple, but it requires careful coordination and inventory management to correctly send out all Leukopaks collected on the same day without any mistakes. And so I've heard some crazy stories about developers who've received Leukopaks at the wrong temperature from the wrong donor at the wrong location. And sometimes this is in a single order. Some developers have even received Leukopaks intended for a different developer when there was a mix-up in the donor or the shipping address. These types of mistakes waste the Leukopak product and cost the developers tens of thousands of dollars if they prepared reagents or reserved a manufacturing slot. So I strongly believe that the staff in charge of managing Leukopak inventory and packing and shipping Leukopaks should be highly skilled, well-trained, and well-paid. Too many collectors use unskilled and low-paid staff at this stage of their business, and it doesn't make sense to me to risk mistakes in this last mile of the customer's order, especially when there are so many skilled inventory management and shipping logistics professionals out there. So come back next week. I'll be talking about cryopreservation of Leukopaks, which is one way to solve many of the Leukopak logistics issues that I've discussed, such as donor no-shows and shipping errors. And happy 4th of July!